cable going to Sentosa. So that's the cable car that we're taking going to Sentosa.
That's it.
We were here, what year? Maybe 15 years ago.
Hindi oh.
What?
Oo nga.
Maybe we're here 15.
Nasa Pilipinas ka pa noon.
Oo nga. Maybe like 20 years ago.
2008.
Yeah, we were here 20 years ago, and that's the time that I have discovered that my
Dapat dyan
sweetheart
ako.
is scared of heights. Nakalipat ka dito.
Kasi nakatalikod ako eh.
That he is scared of heights. So now we're back here in Singapore, and we're back here at the cable. Yay! Woo! Look at him. He's scared. Nice. Oh my gosh, this is Singapore.
Nice.
Picture mo ako. And we need to drink water.
Di ba this is the longest cable car?
I'm
Ang
not
ganda
sure.
no, ang ganda ito, longest to. Eh no, ang ganda no. Ayun.
Huh? He's scared! Wow!
Dami mga sweet, mga water
Ha? Ano? Ano mo? Ay, pwede mo. Is here in Sentosa. But we're going to the one that's the latest that we never had before.
Ano hard rock cafe na.
So our ticket includes a complimentary drink and a souvenir. So we have one complimentary drink, so just get one, and a souvenir. Here?
Can we get a magnet? Magnet? Pinay po kayo? Ayun.
Ayun!
Ayun, ang
Magnet!
ganda ng shirt eh. Thank you.
Hey, Sitai! Excited? We get our drinks here.
I need you guys to check on your seatbelt one last time. Everyone give your seatbelt a quick pull. Make sure everyone is fully fastened.
Check your seatbelts.
Check your shirt.
Okay?
We're gonna
Yes. Scared? You're scared? Pwede mo tanggalin yung mask mo daw.
It's a 360-degree view of the island.
Wow!
This right.
Ay, nice. Oh my gosh, there's nothing under our feet. It's so
She's having fun, record the height. No scared.
Yeah, he's scared.
It's okay,
I'm not scared.
You're not alone, sir.
I have my seat belt and
I have seatbelt also, I still scared.
Oh yeah.
I still scared.
See right, look. Ganun-ganun mo yung paa mo. Start.
Thank you. Excited ka na, sweet?
We just had this. That's the reason why we're here in Sentosa. That's because it's a new one. We have not experienced it 20 years ago. How was it? How was your Sentosa experience?
It's a very, very interesting experience.
How about, what can you say about the Helix?
It's okay. It's not bad.
You were not scared?
Never scared.
You're never scared? Are you sure?
Yeah, very.
You say
100%.
thank you for watching our Sentosa trip.
I was even watching the bottom of
So you say thank you for watching our Sentosa.
Don't say anything yet.
Ooh, this is the most interesting part. So you say,
Oh,
someone's talking.
We are now departing Sentosa for Harbourfront and Mount Baby.
You say thank you for watching our
Sentosa.
hey guys, thank you for watching Ed's. Until next time.
Don't forget to look
Bye.
down below for memorable
Please
places
hit
and
like,
major destinations.
subscribe,
This is the perfect
and comment
opportunity to take
section.
more photos
Right there.
and videos with a bird's eye view of Sentosa.
Bye. It was short.
Parang nawala na yun.